Check on her. Please check on her.
Ma'am, you okay?
Check on me too. Ask her if she okay.
Are you okay?
Ask her.
Are you okay, man?
Ask her.
Hey, she's bleeding.
What's wrong?
She's bleeding from the ear. Ask her what the f she did. Ask her what the f she did. And you can check on me too. I don't have nothing to hide. I don't have nothing to hide. This is my girl. She stayed with me.
Yeah.
She been cheating on me with niggas. Ask her what the f she did. Please check on her. Please, come here. Have them play victim with you.
Stand up for me.
I can't stand up because at the end of the day, I'll have shit on me. Shit on me. Shit on me. But if that's been fucking with niggas on me, that's been fucking niggas that want to leave, you don't got to stay with me.
Can you turn around for me?
I'm not standing around. You're telling me I'm being detained?
Yes, you are.
For what? For what?
Turn around.
For
You're
what?
being detained.
You're being detained. Stop.
Okay. Okay, I can be detained.
Thank you.
You right. You right. Taylor, this what you want, right? This what you want, right? You want to play victim for the cops? This what you want, right? A motherfucker that give a fuck about you, that gave you a home to stay in? Right. Right. This the shit I deserve. Fuck Dimitri. Fuck your ex. All them right? Right. Right.
You don't have anything on you that's gonna.
Nah, you can check my bag. I don't give a fuck.
Well, that's what's gonna happen here in a second.
I ain't did shit wrong. Y'all have proof that I did shit wrong. I didn't do shit wrong. I ain't do shit to her. Ask her about what she did to me. That's my phone. Check the rest of my pockets. Check my fanny pack, anything. I don't have nothing to hide, officer. That's my phone.
You okay?
Check the rest of my pockets.
I get it. How much have you had to drink? A lot? A little bit? Nothing?
No, I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. I have ambulance coming your way, okay?
Officer, I don't have nothing to hide.
Hey.
She pulled my locks out. You see my locks in my, you see my hair in my pocket? She pulled that out, not me.
She pulled that out?
Do you see? If it would have been me punching her in the face, she would have had a black eye. If I busted her lips, she would have had a black eye. I ain't do shit but defend myself. That's my girl. That's my girl. And she mad.
Did she hit you? Did she do all this? Hey, you gotta talk to me, okay? This is not gonna stop because, I mean, obviously, if that happens, that's your choice on what you did, okay?
Do whatever you need to do. Tell them the truth while you at it.
Hey. Hey.
All right, I will stop. Talk to her. I'm talking to him. I'm talking to her. You talk to her. Stop. Right.
Stop.
You give a f about Dimitri.
All right, do you want another charge on top of this?
No, I don't want another charge. I'm talking to him.
Get in the back of the
You're
car.
talking to her.
No, she doesn't.
Right.
She's
Because I didn't do shit. Right.
Stop.
Okay.
Get in the back of the car.
You right.
No,
You right.
no. We asked you to stop.
He asked me to stop. You're talking to her. You gotta understand my frustration.
I'm not talking to her.
He's talking to her.
Do you want to bring it down or you want the
No, I
disorderly
do.
too?
I don't want disorderly. I'm talking to you. Do
Okay.
anybody understand
Okay.
where the f I'm coming from?
Okay. You know what?
No,
If
you
you're
didn't
gonna talk
ask.
to me.
I'm not being disrespectful to you, so I apologize.
No, but you
if
know
I'm
what? You
talking
need to bring
you,
it down.
I will bring it down.
Okay.
I will. I
understand
hear
emotion.
you.
I understand emotions.
It's
are
nothing
high
but
right now.
emotions.
Okay.
Nothing
Bring
but
it
that.
down.
And I will,
One,
respectfully.
Dude, if I
You
gotta
got
count
it.
like a fucking child.
I'm not asking you to. I'm telling you that I will bring it down respectfully.
Okay, bring it
Respectfully. I will bring it down.
Hey, just bring it down, man.
I will. You have to understand.
I get you, I
That's
get you.
my girl, which I so quote
I get
thought
you.
it was.
I get
but
you.
I guess it's not.
Okay.
I guess it's not.
Let's take a breath.
So I will.
We've been
And I
drinking.
apologize to you.
We've
and
been
I
drinking.
apologize to you.
I
You're
get
right.
it, okay?
You're right. You're right. You're right.
We
You're
do
right.
we do some
You got it.
actions.
You're right.
We
You
do
got-
some
you're
actions
right.
we're not supposed to do
You're right.
when we drink.
Yeah,
Okay?
and that's not me.
I
You
get
asked
you.
me not one thing. You asked her. That's what you did.
Well, I'm trying to talk to you, but you're
okay. And I
bring up
apologize. Okay,
All right,
I'm done.
Step in.
I'm done.
Step in.
I'm done.
Step in.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
So are you going to talk to me or not? I'm not
Dude,
trying to be
I
disrespectful.
swear I will hit you with obstructing too if you do not step
You're right.
in.
Okay, that's what y'all can do. You're right. That's not what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
Cool. It's
right.
cool.
Now let me ask
It's
you
always
something. Hey,
me.
let me ask you
Yes.
something. Would you
Yes.
feel more comfortable as a female officer here?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
Because maybe she understands. Y'all being aggressive to me because I just
I'm
been
not
a boy.
I'm not being aggressive. I'm asking
But
you to
y'all
calm
asking
down.
her everything calmly.
Okay.
Calmly, but y'all not asking me shit.
Okay.
That's why I don't fuck with bitches that fuck with.
Okay.
That's what they do.
Okay. I know you're going.
I love her. I do.
Okay. Do me a favor. Take a deep breath.
Right.
Okay.
You're right. You're absolutely right. And you know what? I apologize. I'm not trying to make a problem
I know.
out of nothing. So you're right. I apologize.
Okay.
I apologize.
Let me take your information.
Yeah, I'm done. She's talking to me. You're not talking to me no longer. But you said that she's talking to me. You know what? I won't be disrespectful to you. You're right. So you got it.
This is my partner. Okay.
You're right.
Because
You're right.
really,
It's cool.
Really, we're just trying to help you. Okay?
It's cool.
We're just
It's
trying to
cool.
help you.
It's cool. I need the help.
Yes.
I need the help.
Doesn't matter how much someone loves you. Never. We don't put hands on each other. No matter how mad. No, you are not. Your eye is swollen. You're bleeding from the ear. Okay? You need to take a deep breath. If you want to sit down, we can sit down.
No. I just want this to be over.
It will be here soon, okay?
No, but
It will be.
I get it. We just had a
Misunderstanding?
Yeah.
We should have conversations like adults. No matter if you screwed up so bad or she screwed up so bad. You know what I'm saying? That's it, okay?
So I noticed a scratch on your face right here. All right. Did she hit you?
She did it to me. My locks is on your car. She pulled my hair out.
I
She
see the
did that.
locks on your car, on my car.
But I don't want to charge her. I don't have nothing against her. That's my girlfriend. She stays with me.
Okay.
She hurt my feelings, and I'm supposed to react. I'm supposed to act like I don't care. She hurt my feelings. I would never hurt her. That's my girl.
Okay.
How long you guys been together?
A couple months.
Couple
like
months?
since October.
You guys live together and everything like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you understand why you're being detained?
No, I do not. Maybe because I was so aggressive with you, or I was so high.
It wasn't because you're so aggressive. It was because when we showed up here, we see her laying on the ground, bloody eye, and blood coming out of her ear.
But y'all don't see that my hair is pulled out and I have a scratch on my eye. I would never hurt her. You can ask her yourself. I'm defending myself.
Okay, but I didn't see your hair until I pulled it out of your pocket.
Okay, but I'm telling you that I'm defending myself, and at the end of the day, that's my girlfriend, and I would never hurt her.
So then, how did the fight start? Explain to me how the fight started.
She's so upset because she doesn't like any of the girls that I'm cool with. She doesn't like none of my family. She doesn't like my caseworker. She doesn't like my counselor. That's how she is. I came up here with my friend. My friend's in the car. She's drunk, and I'm trying to get her back to where we need to go. I don't have a problem with her. She started a problem with me. I would not abuse my girlfriend, the one that I love, and I already lost one. My girlfriend passed away 3 years ago. I would not abuse her.
Sorry.
I have shit going on. I have a lot of stuff going on. And I'm at risk for going to jail. I'm on probation. I wouldn't do nothing to f that up, especially about a person that I love. But about my feelings, I care about my feelings too, just as much as she cares about hers. And I'm going to defend myself.
Did you do something?
Whoa.
Yes. Your one eye's open, your other eye's barely. Okay?
Okay.
She didn't just hit me or nothing.
I'm just trying to figure
she
out
pulled
what
my
happened
hair out.
between you two.
I can't even tell you. She pulled my hair out. I wouldn't just hit her or abuse her. And she does have a scratch on her eye, and I have a scratch on my eye too. But she pulled my hair out. My hair is on the car.
Hey,
Can I look at your face?
You can look at my face.
Can I see your scratch on your face? Where does it hurt?
It doesn't hurt nowhere.
Okay.
It doesn't hurt nowhere.
I don't know if that's...
That looks like tattoo, but I see that. Where did she pull your hair out at?
I don't know, because I don't know. I just see my hair on the ground. I put it in my pocket.
Okay.
I have feelings too, and I apologize that I was so aggressive with you.
It's okay.
But my feelings are hurt too.
I get it.
Just
But
calm
look,
down,
see
take a breath.
now we could talk because
I
emotions
want
are
to
down.
talk. I don't have a problem with you.
I don't have
You
a problem
wasn't
with
rude
you.
to me. I was just trying to explain to you. And just because my feelings are high, I don't want you to think that I'm aggressive or I'm being the aggressor, because it takes two. It takes two. You can check my
That's why I'm
record.
trying to
I don't
figure
have
out
nothing like that on my record.
That's why I'm trying to figure out what happened between you two and who started.
She's so jealous about who that I'm with. She doesn't like none of my friends. She doesn't like my counselor. She doesn't like none of my family. Nothing like that.
Hey, look, I'm not trying to be rude. I understand there's a lot of history. But right now, today, this fight, can you explain to me what happened?
I can't explain to you too much because I really don't know. I can't explain. I don't know. If whatever she tells you, that's the truth, take her word.
Like, did she come up to you and start hitting you?
I came to her because she rode with us and she started walking away. Of course I'm going to find my girlfriend. You came with us. You stayed with me.
Okay.
Where were you guys?
But we parked right there in that red Jeep.
Okay.
She was supposed to, quote unquote, go in the store. She never went in the store. I went in the store looking for her. Nobody knew where she was. I called her phone, and she ended up walking around the back. And I tried to talk to her, and she started accusing me of so much stuff and making up stuff just to play the victim. Sometimes people play the victim and be narcissists just to do whatever the f they want to do. I don't care how big I look what clothes I have on, at the end of the day, I have feelings too, and I don't treat her how she treats me, because you know what, I'm in love with her, and I would never hurt her.
But how is she bleeding from the ear?
From the ear?
Yeah, she's bleeding from the ear.
I'm not sure, officer, but whenever she pulled my hair, I'm gonna defend myself. You're pulling my hair out. I have my hair in my pocket. Nobody said nothing to her about my hair being out. I didn't pull my own hair out.
Okay,
But
so
I'm
when we
also defending myself.
when we started talking over there, you started yelling at her about cheating on you.
Yeah.
What's up with that?
Maybe she is cheating with me. She's been dealing with dudes since before she met me. This is the first girl that she ever dealt with. There's been multiple situations where I felt like she was dealing with a dude, and fucking evidence points to that. It does. And if I'm wrong, I won't go to jail. I will accept whatever I have to accept. I'm already on probation.
Is that how the fight started? Did you call her out for that?
I walked up to her because at the end of the day, she walked out of the car. My friend's drunk. Me and her are not as drunk as what my friends are. I'm not over the limit or nothing like that. I know my limit. I've been in trouble before, and I have stuff hanging over my head right now. So I wouldn't put myself in a position to be up. But at the end of the day, my friend's in the car, but that's also my girlfriend that's over here.
When you were defending yourself, what did you do?
I was grabbing her hands, and whenever she scratched me in the eye, I was pulling her hands, and I was trying to get her face away from mine. So maybe I did scratch her in the eye. But it wasn't for no reason at all. I'm not just gonna abuse her. You see my height versus her height and my weight? Whether we're girls or not, you guys are not gonna see that. You guys see how I dress and my weight versus her and how little she is.
So I understand you probably already told my partner what happened, but I'm the one who's going to be doing the report on this.
Okay.
All right. You walked outside. What did you see?
I peeked around the corner and I seen two girls, dark, no descriptions or anything, but one girl was on the ground, like in a slouch position, kind of like, because I got notified that, there was a fight going on, so I wanted to see what was going on, but since they weren't fighting, I was like, let me listen. So I was listening and they were talking. I seen one. She was on top, and she was like, keep smiling, winded up a fist and straight, punched her face so hard it was, her head smacked against the brick wall. And that's where I kind of, jolted back, because it was crazy. And I was like, that's when I immediately had her call the cops.
She started screaming, and I started running.
Because
I just started running so I could come in here and call, because I left my phone.
It was it sounded like it was like a torture method, because she was
like she was pinching her or stepping on her or something. Like she was screaming bloody. Like I got goosebumps up my body and I ran away because I was so scared.
One girl, she was like, scream. She was like, scream. She wanted her to scream. She was like, scream. I want you to scream louder. Types. It was like crazy. I was like, okay, there might be some kind of torture method going on, something super bad. This is where I stopped.
So would you say is was it a closed fist, open fist?
Closed fist.
Closed fist.
Wind up like a baseball bat.
Kind of thing, yeah. But not
So
like under, but it was more of like a...
So straight ahead, or would you say uppercut?
No, straight ahead.
Straight ahead? Okay.
Straight ahead. It wasn't any... No, it was... She hit her straight and her head knocked on the back, 100%.
Okay.
The woman was arrested and charged with domestic violence. If she is convicted, what do you think the punishment should be?